Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are all having a blessed day. Mine's going really good. Weather's really nice out here. I think it's like almost 70, so I'm out here in the garage piddling around, taking care of a few things, and I thought, well, I might as well record a video while it's quiet. Probably won't stay that way the minute I turn the camera on, but we'll see. So I want to talk to you for just a minute about a statement that is one of my favorite statements in the Bible, and it was made by John the Baptist. And we're going to start out with John 3:26-30. And they came unto John and said unto him, Rabbi, he that was with thee beyond Jordan, whom you bearest witness, behold, the same baptizes, and all men are going to him. John answered and said, a man can receive nothing except it be given him from heaven. You yourselves bear me witness that I said, I am not the Christ, but that I am sent before him. He that has the bride is the bridegroom, but the friend of the bridegroom which stands and hears him rejoices greatly because of the bridegroom's voice. This my joy therefore is fulfilled. He must increase, but I must decrease. So John's disciples are getting worried. They're saying, hey, listen, that guy that you said, behold, the Lamb that takes away the sin of the world, that guy? Well, all the people are going to him now to be baptized. He's getting a ton of followers, and we're losing followers. And they were worried. And John said, hey, that's the way it's supposed to be. You can receive nothing except what you get from heaven. This is the one I testified about. He must increase, and I must decrease. In other words, John was saying, my mission's about done. Well, what's the key to that? What is the key to him increasing in your life and you decreasing? How do you perform that one? Well, people, listen. Your enemy is the flesh. You have the great enemy of Satan, but also you have the enemy of your flesh. And this is something about the flesh that you need to remember. The flesh will never forget a single pleasure that it has known. Any pleasure you've had throughout your entire lifetime, that flesh remembers. And that thing is sitting right under the surface, just waiting to pounce at the first opportunity. The flesh never forgets a single pleasure that it has known. Paul made this clear in Romans 7 and 8. Paul said, listen, I battle the flesh every day and I lose every day. I fight it constantly and I constantly lose. People, the flesh and the soul are going to rage on as long as you're in this body. Romans 7:18-20 says, for I know that in me, that is in my flesh, dwells no good thing. For to will is present with me, but how to perform that which is good I find not. For the good that I would do, I do not, but the evil which I hate, that I do. Now if I do that I would not, it is no more I that do it, but sin that dwelleth in me. People, listen. I am so grateful that God put this in the Bible in Romans 7 and 8. I'm so glad that God put someone like the Apostle Paul in there to tell us, look guys, I'm struggling with this. I am also struggling with this flesh and I can't seem to defeat it. And something else that's a bummer is the flesh does not diminish with age. I mean, I'm 69 and my flesh hasn't diminished one iota. It still thinks up crap. Constantly. So people, what's the key? What is the key to defeating the flesh? What is the key to him, the Lord Jesus, increasing in your life and the flesh decreasing? What's the key? Well, the key is that you are absolutely forgiven. You are absolutely forgiven of every sin, past, present, and future. Therefore, Satan has nothing to accuse you of because you are completely forgiven. And what you do is, you do just like Paul did. Every time you fall, every time you mess up, You get up, you dust yourself off, and you move forward. A little while later, you're going to fall again. You're going to get up, dust yourself off, move forward. Tomorrow, you're going to do really good till about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Then you're going to fall again. You're going to get up, dust yourself off, and move forward. Your whole life is nothing but get up, dust yourself off, and move forward. People, listen. If you focus on the Lord, put Him first, the flesh will have nowhere to go but to get back there and follow. Anyhow, I just want to give you something to think about. Heaven or hell, you choose. Just remember, once you take your last breath, it's a done deal.